And following the end of the schoolboy cricket season with the Spalding Cup playoff last week, ISSA Urban Cricket Chairman Russell Brooks has expressed disappointment with the low number of entries for this year's Grey Shield. Speaking after Friday's final at the Melbourne Oval, the chairman said even though the numbers remained consistent over the past 2 years, there is still room for growth.
For the urban, we had 15 teams that entered last year, and this year we had similar 15. We wish that would have had more schools representing at the cricket, considering that we have quite a number of schools in the urban area between Kingston and St. Catherine. And I think we could have had more. In the past, we would have had up to 40 teams representing at this level.
While lamenting the subpar turnout, Brooks acknowledged some of the factors hindering participation.
Cricket is an expensive sport, and so cost is a factor. Secondly, the availability of cricket pitches to play for the boys to play and train, that is also a problem. So I think we need to invest more in more cricket fields so that the students can have places to play.
St. Jago High ended a more than 2-decade wait for a Grey Shield title, defeating Campbell College in the final before losing the All-Ireland Spalding Cup on first innings to St. Elizabeth Technical.